So, start with, are we ready, right? Don't start with tools. Don't start with Googling. Don't waste your time in demos yet. Ask, are we ready? Do we clearly understand the real risk that our employees are facing? And then lastly, do we have a way to test and measure success in real world conditions? Using this approach, as simple as it seems, is going to make your technology selection, one, go a lot smoother, feel more clear, and your business case, in your communication with your frontline, with your leadership, with those owning that platform is just going to kind of create itself because you're gathering that information and you're getting that buy-in, and you'll start to see the common thread, and it won't feel like such a struggle. And in that case, your deployments are far more likely to succeed, because those decisions are grounded in your operational reality, not just urgency or assumptions or because someone said, "Hey, go find this we have this problem, go fix it."